Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix apps automatically force close problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here tap on about phone. Now from here tap on storage. Now from here check if your smartphone storage is not full. Now if it is up to 90% full, like if you have used 105 gigabytes out of 120 gigabytes, just delete large files from your smartphone, like videos. Also, go to your home screen. Now from here, swipe up and open the app drawer. Now from here, just uninstall any unused apps. Just like that. Now once we have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now from here, in the search bar, just search system web view. Now once we have done that, just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now from here, tap on OK. Just go back. Now from here, just search Poco launcher. Now from here, tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now just hit on OK. Now from here, go back. Now from here, just search package installer. Now from here, tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, just press and hold on the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, swipe down and reboot your smartphone. Now once your smartphone finishes rebooting, it will fix the app automatically force close problem. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. And this is how you can fix the app automatically force close problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.